Are you looking to create your own Minecraft modpack, but you have no idea how to do it? Or maybe you're facing those annoying crashes that make you angry every time. Oh, okay. But maybe you're just looking to create that amazing main menu you've been looking for to shine your modpack with your friends. Well, welcome to my gig. My name is Lucas and I'm here to help you. During the past 2 years, I've created over 300 modpacks on Fiverr, and you can check many of my 5-star reviews right down below on the description of this gig. My main focus is to optimize modpacks to make sure they run with the best possible performance, and to make sure that works as flawlessly as possible, I use some custom tools I've created myself to identify which mods use more memory, more CPU, and that makes so my modpacks can run with shaders on high-end computers and make sure that they run on even the slowest computers. So don't waste your time no more. Make the same decision as over 300 other customers did, and I'll make sure to make your modpack become a very good and very easy reality. See you on the other side.